said that you post to just support Sonali, saying that this is one of the finest movies. How did you find it?
It's an excellent film. I mean, I think it's compulsory watching for everyone in this country. I think it's such a sensitively made film, so funny, yet so poignant and emotional. So I think it'll connect with anyone who watches the film, and I hope a lot of people go out and watch the film.
But what made you impose your idea saying that आमिर आपको जाके देखनी है movie?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छी लगी फिल्म, और मुझे लगा कि आमिर को भी बहुत अच्छी लगेगी. उनकी टाइप की फिल्म है, और इस तरह की फिल्में बहुत कम बनती हैं जिसमें किरदार ऐसा एक स्ट्रॉन्ग इंडिविजुअल है जिसका पर्सनालिटी इतनी खूबी से इन्होंने लिखा है और बाहर आता है, जबकि डिसेबल्ड है लेकिन उनके सोचने के तौर तरीके, उनका जीने में जो मज़ा आता है वो देख के दिल बिल्कुल खुश हो जाता है. और मुझे पता था कि आमिर, जिन्होंने सत्यमेव जयते में भी डिसेबिलिटी पे एक एपिसोड किया था, उनको तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा, और उनको लगा भी. और आई थिंक ये फिल्म ना सिर्फ हमको सपोर्ट करना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये बहुत सब्जेक्ट इतना ज़रूरी है हमारे लिए. हम लोग डिसेबल्ड लोगों को बहुत अलग तरीके से देखते हैं, और इस फिल्म से बहुत सीखने को मिलता है. और बिल्कुल मेरे आंखों के सामने से एक पर्दाफाश हो गया. इट वाज लाइक अ रेवलेशन फॉर मी. सो आई थिंक वो उस हिसाब से सबको देखना चाहिए. लेकिन उसके अलावा बहुत एंटरटेनिंग है, बहुत मज़ेदार है, बहुत दिल को छूने वाली बातें, और बहुत हंसने के भी मौके हैं इसमें, बहुत फ़नी भी है. तो आई वुड रियली एनकरेज सब लोग बाहर जाके फिल्म देखें. Me and Ayan?
Yeah.
No.
Nothing like that?
No.
Kiran, you are doing a lot for independent cinema. The film is one example. Tell us, do you think in this day and age independent cinema coming from India has the confidence to make something like, to take on something like an IPL? IPL has just started, and during that period we are seeing as many as 4 independent films released. Margarita included. So if you can tell us.
I feel it's something that independent films are forced to do, because at least during IPL that very big films won't think of releasing. So it's a release strategy that independent films have adopted, which I have to say has worked in the past, because IPL takes time to build up, and sometimes there are people who don't really watch a lot of cricket and would be interested in this kind of cinema. Having said that, I agree with you. It is at the end of the day a bit of a compromise. You're pitching it against IPL, and that's not a small thing in any case. We don't have much of a choice, and I feel until we create many more screening options for independent films, we'll be forced to do this. But we'll take it. I mean, I think all of us independent filmmakers need venues, we need exhibition, and whatever good options we get, we will take. So I think it's a question of doing the best we can under the circumstances.
What are your views on Marathi films getting prime time at multiple seasons as far as concerned?
Well, I'm kind of ambivalent about it. I have to say I haven't read what has been written about it so far. I've just kind of heard, so I don't feel like commenting very strongly about it. I think I do think that Marathi cinema does need space, and like independent films, it is jostling for space in the mainstream, and this is bound to happen, because the larger number of audiences go out to watch Hindi films. Having said that, I feel it might be quite restrictive if it's an enforced law, and I think in this day and age it's hard to kind of force this onto an exhibition system, just like forcing independent films, for instance, will be unfair on an exhibition system. So while I understand why, I understand the pressures, I don't know if this is the best way to do it.
Speaking of political shape in the sense, Shobha they had her own opinion and how she's been asked to
Oh, I have no idea about that actually. I've not been reading about it. I just feel that a lot of kinds of cinema do need support. But whether forcing an exhibition system to do it is the right way, I don't know. I don't have the answer to that.
किरण आमिर हमेशा नए लुक और नए लुक अपनाते रहते हैं, चैलेंज चाहते हैं। आपकी फिल्म के बारे में आपका क्या कहना है?
मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. आई डोंट थिंक ही इज़ फुल्ली देयर येट. अभी तो वो काफ़ी ऑन द वे हैं टू द फाइनल लुक. पर हमने जो टेस्ट देखे हैं ऑफिस में, ही इज़ लुकिंग वेरी गुड. और ये कैरेक्टर, ये कहानी बहुत बहुत स्पेशल है. और आई थिंक उनका वो जो किरदार बना रहे हैं वो भी काफ़ी नया है उनके लिए.